on YouTube? TS1000 here, checking back in, and I'm going to be reviewing the Marshydro TS1000 grow kit. So Marshydro hooked me up with this cool ass grow kit because I'm a cool guy, you know what I mean? So I'm going to give my honest opinion about it. It unzips all the way. I personally love this whole kit already right now. So let me bring this all the way down. So this is the Marshydro TS1000 LED grow light. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it's awesome. It does come with some cool Marshydro stickers that you could put on. I have some up there along with mine because I have a cool sticker. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna cut this on, and there it is right there. And a cool thing about this light is you could change the brightness. So right now we're literally at like the bare minimum. So let's cut it up to 25. Super bright. Let's cut it up to 50. Super bright again. 75. 100%. 100% is super bright. The reflection is so bright you can literally see clear as day up here, like there's light above us, but there's not. So let me cut it down to about 50. And I'm going to show you guys right here. Marshydro TS1000, an amazing grow light. Here it is at 100. Super nice grow light. And this kit also comes with a carbon filter, an inline fan, the inline fan ducting, a humidity and temperature gauge, a timer for your light, a speed control dial for the inline fan, fabric pots. You get the whole tent. You get some cool stickers. I mean, for under $400, this is honestly everything you're gonna need to grow. You know what I mean? To grow whatever you're gonna grow, this Marshydro kit is the best kit for it. So let's turn this back down to about 25 because that is super bright. It was on 50 and it was just super bright. But the quality of this tent, super high quality, is super thick. It has the diamond cuts in it. They're not paying me to say any of this. Like this is real. Like this is real right here. You know what I mean? I love it already. Probably gonna breed in here or just throw some autos in here. I'm not sure. Maybe I might have one photo, but honestly, my honest opinion of this kit, 10 out of 10. It's perfect. It literally has everything. Like the clamps, the carbon filter, the inline. Like it just has everything you will need to grow and grow a good size. So right here, about 4 or 5 gallon pots could fit in here. I want to say maybe you can fit a lot of 1 gallon pots in here, a lot of 2 gallons in here, maybe 6 threes or maybe 5 3-gallon pots. But you could fit a good decent amount in here, and everything's perfect. This whole grow kit is perfect. Like this light is the perfect diameter for this tent. So let me put the phone all the way down. You see that? The light literally covers everything, like the whole grow space. It's super nice. Like honestly, my honest opinion is a 10 out of 10. If you guys are looking for a grow kit and you guys don't, like, you know what I mean, you guys don't want to buy everything separate, get a bunch of different types of stuff or whatever you want, go get this tent. Like it literally has everything, comes with everything you'll ever need besides the dirt and the soil. I mean, that's the same thing. Besides the dirt and the seeds, you know what I mean? But it's a perfect grow kit, dead ass. Like this is a nice grow kit. If you guys are in the market for looking one, go on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below. It's the Marshydro TS1000 grow kit, and this light, I'm not gonna lie, like right here. Here's everything about the light. The light is perfect. This whole kit comes with like 1,000 directions, so you would always know what to do. This is what it looks like. Like nothing is cheap about this. Like this is super nice. Like super nice. It also has channel plugins. And it does come with the channel cords. Let's bring it down some. So I'm gonna raise it up while it's focused. this is just super nice. Like, this whole light is super nice. And this grow tent does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little holes, so you can like port things out, like the ducting for the inline fan. The door does come with a window. The window is Velcro. It's like the see-through mesh, so it's not like a plastic. So that's pretty cool. This whole tent is like just really thick. It's really nice all together. If I were you guys, I would go get this tent. Even if you guys want like a small vegging tent, like this is like not even small. This is like a good medium-sized tent. You know what I mean? Like this fits perfect. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's perfect size tent. If you guys are in the market for looking at this, go to Amazon and get this. This Marshydro is amazing, and it comes with some real cool slaps. Like I have a Vivo Sun tent in the other room, and I put the Marshydro sticker in them. Like it's amazing. Like Vivo Sun does not compare to this Marshydro tent. I'm not gonna lie. This is just really thick, just really nice. Shout out to Marshydro again. TS1000 here, and I'm checking out. Peace.